OneKey uses Bluetooth to communicate with the companion app on your smartphone or tablet. The OneKey app discovers a tick or tool and establishes a connection to it using the Bluetooth signal. Once a Bluetooth connection is made between your item and mobile device, OneKey then uses the location services of your mobile device to communicate up-to-date location information to the app. Your OneKey-enabled device can be discovered by your smartphone or tablet within Bluetooth range. To always have the best connection and most up-to-date location information when your OneKey app and device are within range of each other, Bluetooth must always be enabled. The OneKey app must always be open and running in the foreground or background. Location services should always be enabled. Always should be checked for users running iOS. Location permissions should be toggled on for users running Android. If any of these three are not true, your OneKey, app, and device are not communicating with each other. In this video, we'll show you how to enable your location services. Select Settings on the bottom right of the navigation bar. Under Phone Settings, select Location Services. Now select Location and set to Always. In your phone settings, scroll up and select Bluetooth. Turn on your device's Bluetooth now. Once you've changed your notification preference on your phone, you'll go back to the app to confirm your location services are now enabled. Because of dedicated users like you, OneKey has grown to support the industry's largest tracking network. For more helpful tips like this, please subscribe below and click on another video to keep watching.